All right, sorry, y'all. It's a little bit different today. I'm going to have to narrate over top of this footage. The wind was so loud when I was filming this that it's kind of unusable audio. But we were out at the ranch at Stone Hill in Waxahachie, Texas, and we're taking a look at a Mystic Oak home. It's a 4 bedroom, 3 bath home. It's got a 3 car garage and an office, and it's just beautiful inside. It's all on 1 acre, currently priced at $719,900. So hope you enjoy the tour. All right, y'all, here we are on the inside here. This beautiful Mystic Oak home here. Right away, you've got beautiful double front doors here with that glass that you can, get all the natural light coming in. It's somewhat distorted, so you do have, it's not like everybody could see right directly in. And then you've got transom window up above there. All this beautiful trim work and a beautiful entryway light there. And right off of the main entrance, you've got your office. So you've got beautiful hardwood flooring throughout all the main living areas. And then in every bedroom, you've got carpeting. Got this beautiful coffered ceiling look here in the office. Now it's not sunken in, like a true coffered ceiling, but you've got all the trim work. It really dresses it up. I think it looks beautiful. Got double windows here looking out to the front in the office. And then you've got double doors to close this office off. And it's frosted glass there, so you've got privacy there as well. So this office does not have a closet. But, if you didn't use it as an office, you could use it as, a flex room or a 5th bedroom, potentially. So this is a split floor plan design. So we've got all bedrooms 2, 3, and 4 on this side of the house, and then the master's on the back corner of the house. So we'll get there in just a minute. So right here off the front, you've got the wood flooring continuing out through the hallway. You've got a linen closet right here, right off of this 3rd bathroom up at the front of the house. And then we've got a traditional coat closet right here as well. We'll go ahead and check out the 3rd bathroom here. Got beautiful tile flooring in here. Nice big vanity here in this 3rd bathroom. So this is probably the bathroom that company would use, friends, family, whoever's over. You've got, storage right there above the toilet. You've got a window looking out to the front yard. And then you've got a nice tub shower combo right here. Set up, ready to go. I think it's beautifully done there. Got the 4th bedroom up here off the front of the house. Got double windows looking out to the front. Good sized bedroom right here. Once again, we've got carpet, really good padding on the carpet below. Nice cushy carpet here. And then we've got a closet over here. It runs throughout. You've got 4 different doors, so it's not real deep, but it is very long. So you've got lots of hanging space, and then some shelving here separating the other side. Same thing on the other side. So once again, not real deep, but very functional in that regard. Trying my best to listen to some feedback. Some folks get real dizzy when I'm spinning around too fast, so just bear with me. Like I said, I'm not a professional cameraman, but I know real estate very well, and that's my goal, is to help you with your real estate needs here. So checking out this beautiful living room, got these exposed wood beams here, really dress it up, and then you've got 4 huge windows right here off the living room looking to the back porch. As you can see right here, you've got power in the floor, so that's great if you have, you know, a couch that needs power to recline. You've got that set up right there. Or if you wanted, you know, a table right there with a lamp, whatever it may be, you've got access to power right there in the middle of the floor. This is a beautiful home, just hit the market. And we've got this beautiful fireplace right here. I love the color of the brick there, and then how it plays with the mantle there. You've got a wood burning fireplace right here. It does have a gas starter. So this home has a buried propane tank, and then you've also got another wood burning fireplace out on the back porch. We'll go take a look at that in a minute, but I love that vaulted ceiling on the back porch. Check that out. All right, let's go check out the kitchen real quick. So check out the island here. We've got tons of storage all along the island, so it's not wasted space there. I think that's really, really smart the way they've got that done. Got this darker colored granite here on the island, and then you've got, you know, a light colored backsplash with light counters on the rest of the countertops. These Mystic Oak homes, I think, are really designed really well. They've always got kind of like a feature over here, you know, with a wine cooler or some way to store, you know, your wine and everything set up there right off the kitchen. I just think it's beautiful. Love that these cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling here. And then you've got in cabinet lighting up there at the top. It's kind of hard to see, but it is lit in there. And you've got nice spot for a big fridge. You've already got all your cabinet pulls ready to go and handles. You've got a double oven right here, Whirlpool appliances, then your microwave mounted above those. And then you've got a 5-burner Whirlpool gas range. And then you've got it vented out with the vent hood vented outside. I love these darker cabinets, really beautiful. And then once again, more storage here. You've got a trash bin area, and then more storage by the sink. And you've got dishwasher right there. Got this beautiful Delta faucet, and then a nice deep farmhouse sink right here. Got these beautiful lighting features and pendant lights over the island. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the pantry right here. Good size pantry right there. So we've got this hallway right here that goes back out to the living room. And then as we pan back around, we've got a smaller smaller bench here for just an area right off of the 3-car garage. Nice mud bench area. And then we've got the laundry room right here. So the laundry room has a nice, good deep sink in it, and continued, you know, with the beautiful cabinetry. So you got lots of storage space in here. Space for a full-size washer and dryer here as well, and then a window looking out to the front yard. Go take a peek at the 3-car garage real quick. Got attic access there. Nice 3-car garage. Sprinkler system over there for the sodded portion of the yard. We've got 3 windows looking out to the front of the yard. We'll go ahead on over and take a look at bedrooms 2 and 3 back here. So once again, we've got the wood flooring here, continuing to the hallway. Then we've got a good size bedroom right here, window out to the side of the home, and closet right here. These closets they've got good heavy duty doors on them. Nice hanging space on this, and you've got some shelving there. Good size closet, not like I said with the other one, not super deep, but definitely utilized well. It's very wide. So this Jack and Jill bath has pocket doors, which I love because it just saves on space so much. In these Jack and Jill bathrooms, you can have so many doors opening up into each other, and it makes it feel really, really, really tight. And so I think this is the best use of space with these pocket doors. I think that was a great design call there. Nice tiling, and then we've got double vanities right here. And then back here you've got the toilet, storage above it, and then a nice walk-in shower here. So it's pretty spacious actually. Like I said, with the pocket doors, it opens all this up so much. So I think that was just a brilliant use of space. All right, in this other bedroom here, we've got a window looking out to the backyard. Good sized bedroom. And we got the closet here as well. All right. Now, like I said, with this being a split floor plan design, all the other secondary bedrooms are on one side of the house, and then as we go back this way, we've got the master on this side of the house. Got another storage closet here, got access to all your data cables and everything. Now, the wood flooring does continue into the master. It's the only bedroom that does not just have carpeting. And this is a vaulted ceiling here in the master, so it's huge. Lots of great space here in the master. And 3 big windows looking out to the backyard. When we come into this beautiful bathroom right here, we've got the split vanities, so one here, and we've got the standalone tub right there, and then the big wraparound shower, and the transom lights, or transom windows letting in natural light here. And then we've got another vanity on this side. So this does drop down. You've got plenty of space for storage in here with these different niches built into the wall. Got 2 shower heads here, and then the controls over on either side of the wall there. And then more storage right along here. We've got a spot here for the toilet, and then more storage above it. And here in the master closet, I've got continued wood flooring, got a built-in dresser right here, got a couple of smaller windows letting in some natural light, and then we've got real nice hanging space, and then shelving already built in. And then on the other side here, we've got additional hanging space as well. Let's go check out that beautiful back porch. So this has already got a TV cabinet out here. It's all wired up and everything. Continue with that beautiful brick right there. In the fireplace, we got that gas start for a wood burning fireplace out here as well. And then just this beautiful vaulted ceiling. This acre lot as it goes back this way. Once again, thank you so much for taking this tour with me. This beautiful Mystic Oak home out here in the ranch at Stone Creek in Waxahachie, Texas. Once again, just recapping the statistics on this house. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home. It's got an office here up front and then a 3-car garage. It's all on 1 acre. It's 3,009 square foot, and it's currently priced at $719,900. It's beautiful, as you can see, and it's ready to move in. It just hit the market a few days ago. So if you're interested in it and you got questions about it, definitely reach out to me if you want to book a private tour of this one or any of the others that I cover here on the channel. Definitely reach out. I'd be more than happy to get that scheduled, and we can talk about what you're looking to get out of your brand new home. So thank you so much for watching each and every week. I do appreciate it, and I will see you all next week. Y'all take care. All right, as you can probably guess, this is drone footage from another time that I was out at the ranch at Stone Hill in Waxahachie. If I'd have tried to launch my drone this high up on the same day, it would have been probably 5 miles away. It was howling out there, so probably 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts. So this is from another day, but it's a pretty good description still of what the current state of the neighborhood looks like and the surrounding areas. You can see it's very rural and very beautiful out there. So hope you all enjoy.